Welcome to Crafting for Cash, where we explore the exciting world of woodworking and the immense potential it holds for creative entrepreneurs. As the demand for handcrafted goods continues to rise, artisans have a unique opportunity to turn their passion into profit. By focusing on high-demand woodworking ideas, especially those utilizing old, reclaimed, and organic wood, you can create stunning pieces that not only capture attention, but also resonate with eco-conscious consumers. This journey into woodworking is not just about crafting. It's about building a sustainable business that reflects your values and creativity. In this video, we will delve into the dynamic intersection of craftsmanship and commerce. The use of reclaimed and organic wood not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your creations, but also speaks to a growing market that values sustainability and quality. By tapping into the stories behind your materials, whether it's the history of reclaimed wood or the natural beauty of organic sources, you can forge a deeper connection with your audience. As we explore the various woodworking ideas that are in high demand, you'll learn how to harness your skills while staying attuned to market trends, ensuring that your creations not only sell, but also stand out in a competitive landscape. Join us on this journey to discover how to turn your woodworking passion into a thriving business. In the vibrant world of woodworking, the intersection of creativity and commerce offers exciting opportunities for artisans looking to monetize their skills. As the market increasingly favors handcrafted goods, there is a growing demand for unique, high-quality products that reflect both craftsmanship and sustainability. This trend is especially evident in the use of old, reclaimed, and organic wood, which not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of items, but also resonates with eco-conscious consumers. Reclaimed wood has become a sought-after material in the woodworking community, providing artisans with a unique canvas to showcase their creativity. By transforming discarded wood into beautiful creations, woodworkers can tell a story that attracts buyers looking for character and history in their purchases. This process not only helps reduce waste, but also allows artisans to tap into a niche market that values sustainability and craftsmanship. The allure of organic wood is another factor driving demand in the woodworking industry. Consumers are increasingly aware of the materials they bring into their homes, seeking products that are free from harmful chemicals and toxins. By using organic wood, woodworkers can create pieces that are not only visually stunning, but also safe for families and the environment. This commitment to using natural materials can significantly enhance the perceived value of crafted items, making them more appealing to discerning customers. As artisans explore high-demand woodworking ideas, understanding market trends becomes essential. Researching popular styles, finishes, and functionalities can help woodworkers identify what consumers are looking for in their purchases. In addition to crafting unique items, effective marketing strategies play a crucial role in driving business success. Storytelling is a powerful tool that can help artisans connect with their audience on a deeper level. Sharing the journey of sourcing reclaimed wood or the inspiration behind a design can create an emotional connection with potential buyers, making them more likely to invest in a piece. This narrative not only enhances the value of the product, but also fosters a sense of community around the brand. Building a strong online presence is another critical component of a successful woodworking business. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase projects, share behind-the-scenes content, and engage with customers can significantly increase visibility and attract a larger audience. High-quality images and compelling descriptions can capture the essence of each piece, enticing potential buyers and encouraging them to make a purchase. As woodworkers refine their skills and gain experience, they may also discover opportunities for collaboration within the community. Partnering with other artisans or local businesses can open doors to new markets and customer bases. Collaborative projects can lead to unique offerings that stand out and capture consumer interest, further boosting sales and expanding the reach of each artisan's work. Establishing a solid pricing strategy is vital for ensuring profitability in the woodworking business. Woodworkers must carefully consider the cost of materials, labor, and overhead when setting prices. Balancing affordability for customers with fair compensation for craftsmanship can be challenging, but is essential for long-term success. Transparent pricing that reflects the quality and uniqueness of the products can foster trust and loyalty among customers. Diversifying product offerings can also help woodworkers tap into different market segments. By experimenting with various styles, finishes, and applications, artisans can attract a broader audience and increase their chances of making sales. This versatility allows woodworkers to respond to changing consumer preferences and seasonal trends, ensuring that their creations remain relevant and in demand. As the woodworking landscape continues to evolve, embracing new techniques and materials will keep artisans at the forefront of the industry. The integration of technology, such as CNC machines or laser cutters, can enhance creativity and efficiency, allowing woodworkers to push the boundaries of traditional craftsmanship. This innovation can lead to exciting new products that capture consumer interest and drive sales. Ultimately, the journey of crafting for cash is about more than just making money. It's about building a brand that reflects passion, creativity, and sustainability. By focusing on high-demand woodworking ideas and leveraging the unique qualities of old, reclaimed, and organic wood, artisans can create pieces that resonate with consumers and stand the test of time. Through dedication and a commitment to quality, woodworkers can transform their workshops into thriving businesses that not only generate income, but also bring joy to their customers. If you're excited about the potential of woodworking and the unique opportunities it presents, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights on crafting for cash. By tapping into the beauty of old, reclaimed, and organic wood, you can create stunning pieces that resonate with eco-conscious consumers and elevate your business. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow woodworkers and crafting enthusiasts who are eager to turn their passion into profit. Together, we can build a community that celebrates creativity, sustainability, and the art of woodworking.